Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of graphic design tutorials. And today we're looking at working with a graphic with a transparent background and trying to show you guys today how to manipulate any pixels that you have that are black or white that are solid color, and more importantly those that have um, sort of semi-transparent pixels around the edges here. As you can see, we want to be able to manipulate those and change the color from black to whatever color it is that we need for our project without having these pixels lose their transparency or opacity, as it were. So yeah, so basically we're going to go ahead and start off with this one. Okay, so this one, the customers really wanted to have the Gryffindor in a gold. So what we're going to do is we've got our layer selected here, and then, again, make sure it's very important that you understand this background is transparent. That's why there's this checkerboard back here. Okay, we're going to right click on the layer. I'm going to say select pixels, and it's really simple. You just go to layer, new fill layer, color fill, and then we just choose the color that we want. So I'm going to go with a gold, right? Because that's kind of what they were wanting. It's kind of like a nice orangish, and then kind of actually right around there, so it's not too dark. I'll click OK. Now, it's important that you notice here, I'm going to zoom in real quick, that around the edges, you're going to see it's kind of a little bit dark, and the inside is like this nice solid color, but you notice the edges here kind of have this dark, and that's the reason behind that is because we still have, if I turn this layer visibility off real quick, you'll see that the background still has that black. So I'm going to get rid of that background, and I'm going to go ahead and hide that, and then you'll see it actually has like this really nice color to it. So that's pretty much it. I mean, now as far as changing something white goes, so Ravenclaw, for example, and Slytherin. So the customer also wanted these to be changed to white as well. So for that, it's actually a lot easier. You can do the same process that I showed you just a second ago, but honestly, we don't even have to right click select pixels for this one. We've already got the entire thing selected. I'm just going to come up here to layer, and I'm going to go to new adjustment layer, and I'm just going to say invert. Okay. Now, and I can right click and close out the properties window there. That being said, that's done. I can turn this back off, and you can see I still have the black original there, okay? But if I turn off the background, that hides, it goes away, right? Because this invert layer here is inverting the background. So if you want, you honestly, I'm gonna zoom in real quick and show you. That's it, we're done, right? Like it's got a smooth, wherever the black fades, okay? Like right here, you can kind of see between the solid black and the transparent, there's like this semi-transparent row of pixels here, and then another row of semi-transparent pixels here. If I turn that back on, you'll see it's the same situation, right? We've got semi-transparent here, we got it right up here. So you can kind of see that there between the black and the white. Now, if I want, I can just go to File and Export as PNG, and that's it. It's done, it's ready to go. Or of course, if I wanted to do some further editing to it, I could sort of merge it down one, and then we could save it as is, and then we could add whatever we needed to or further manipulate the image from there. But yeah, that pretty much concludes the tutorial for today. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this background here because, again, we don't want that extra black behind there. All we really want is the gold there. But that pretty much it. That's it sums it up for today. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions, I'd love to address those in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.